I find this fire pit here. This bench, how full it is, so you can see how much snow here. Not much.
Somerset Bridlewood train is arriving. What a beautiful. Hello everyone, what's up? It's snowing in Calgary and today is 22nd November 2024 and the time right now is 4:10 p.m. and temperature in Calgary is minus 12 degrees Celsius right now, but it feels like minus 18 degrees Celsius and it's snowing a lot. So in this video I'm going to show you guys a beautiful snow walk in Calgary, and let's start the walk. And today I just start my walk from the St. Patrick Island East Village, Calgary, and I was so sad when I start my blog because I lost my this microphone cover, but I find it on the snow and hope the sound will not that much bad. And look at this beautiful scenery. This is the Bow River. Mostly the Bow River don't frozen fully because Bow River is a very high tide river, so it doesn't frozen fully, but most of the part it get frozen in the winter. Wow. Here also you can find the help blue light, so if you are in trouble and you can press this button and they will come for the help. And this is the Memorial Drive. On the other side of the Memorial Drive is Bridgeland neighborhood. I did a video, I think it was in Canada Day. Oh my god, that time this place was so different. Now it looks like a winter wonderland. And look at this bench, how full it is. So you can see how much snow here. Here, not much. Oh, it's snowing so heavily. You can see snow and fog. Fog, I think both. Literally, all the high-rise building is hiding. Oh, what is this? Oh wow! Look at this fire pit here. Oh, it smells so good. My god, it smells so good. It's so amazing when you walk here. It's cold and it's cozy fire pit here. It's so nice. I can see they prepared 2 more fire pits here. They prepare, I think they get ready for the winter. Now it's weather getting so worst. Oh my god, it's very slippery. Right now I am at this 100 years old bridge. It's a reconciliation bridge. I was walking all around this Riverside walk. Look, someone is cycling, someone is jogging in this weather. It's not like a near thing. It's not like a you will see and like a what I can say. Just look at this beauty. So amazing. Just waiting for the signal. Snowing a lot. I'm very close to the City Hall Seatrain station, and if you like my blog, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. Also,
the best way you can support this channel, you can share this video as much as you can, so that my channel can grow more and I can do some more vlogs for you guys. Thank you so much. It's almost 5 p.m. and it's already so dark.